would like to introduce you the prototype of our electronics on the hop-up chamber. What does this do? It is connected with our Leviathan V2 optical through the data cable, and it has BB illumination, empty magazine detection, magazine insertion inside the hop-up chamber, and a bolt catch sensor here for the charging handle and for the bolt catch. Here is electronics for M249 gearbox. It's still in prototype stage. As you can see, the black part is the PCB board, where there will be the cycle detection for the gears movement, Hall sensor for the trigger, and electronics for powering magazine. I would like to introduce you our newest device, Scylla V2, which is Bluetooth operated device inside the gearbox version 2. It has this magnet for the trigger, which you can tune the trigger sensitivity, and optical sensors for cycle detection and semi-auto detection.